In this video, I'll show you how to fix the error message, "The recipient's account is unable to accept payments on Cash App." This issue usually happens when the person you're trying to send money to has certain privacy or security settings turned off in their Cash App account. Here's what the recipient needs to do. Ask them to open the Cash App on their phone and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Then, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Once they're in that section, they'll need to look for options like Incoming Requests and Allow Others to Find Me on Cash App. If either of these is turned off, that's likely what's blocking the payment. Have them switch these settings on to make sure their account can receive payments. After that, they can try receiving the payment again. In most cases, the issue will be fixed right away. But if you still see the same error message even after the recipient adjusts their settings, the problem might be on your end instead. In that case, open your Cash App, scroll all the way down, and tap Support. Choose Chat or Contact Support and explain that you're getting the recipient's account unable to accept payments error when trying to send money. The Cash App support team will review your account and help you fix it. That's how to fix the error. The recipient's account is unable to accept payments on Cash App.